let's give it a shot that way.
This way?
Yeah. So this one have like at least a 5 to 10 inch tilt. This one is not going to be a problem at all. This one is going to be on top. You know what I mean? This is the one that's leaning. So this one is going to scratch the wall.
Yeah.
This one is fine. So let's just give it a shot this way. So here is what I'm thinking. Either you can back it up and I guide you until we come like almost close, or the other way around. We're using the forklift, right?
We can do everything. Yes.
I mean the forklift because it's the one that's kind of maneuverable.
Right.
Then we'll play with the casters. Okay.
Okay. Do you need a rubber snubber or something to pull that over?
What again?
Well, you know, like a bungee cord or like hooks.
Oh, to pull the two windows together?
Yeah.
The two windows together are hooked by 4 screws.
Yeah, I meant just a
So they're not gonna, I mean, I really don't care for them much. This one is gonna be okay. This one,
alright.
If we're gonna push on it, the wall will push on it a little bit. So we really don't need to push it unless if we really have to. It might just fit nicely.
Okay.
I really don't know.
Okay.
So how about if you back it up?
Alright.
And just
leave the crate in there?
This one I'm just gonna push all the way down.
Oh.
You stable?
Wait, cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna push all the way back. Give me a second, Steve. Give me 1 second.
Alright.
Want me to help you?
You'll have to cut the light, or the light right here. Oh, here's the connector. So cut your connector. We'll cut our connector.
Is this connected to me?
No, well, you probably you can cut it. I can cut it. And then you can put a new connector.
Okay.
So we'll cut it so that you have.
Actually, can you take this out?
Oh, okay.
So we have to take these 2 out?
Well, here's my thought. If we take these 2,
Right.
we'll have to touch them.
Okay, you're absolutely right. You're absolutely right.
And the back.
And we can put the fenders right here. Right here, so there's no problem.
Oh, okay.
We need to actually, we don't need to take these, we need to take this out. So we're just trying to disconnect the fenders from the trailer.
Right. That's what I'm trying to do.
Right.
That's 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5 on the whole thing.
4, 5 right here.
Right.
This is 4 and this 5.
All right.
Thank you, sir. We are literally putting a box in a bowling ball. It's not the other way around.